Welcome to PNK Stocks YouTube channel. A big thanks to one and all those who subscribed my channel, and now our channel is 1000 subscribers plus. Thank you each and everyone. Now, as you have seen some of the strategy videos, what we are going to see in this year 2024 and beyond. Some more strategies on intraday trading, swing trading, positional trading, and most importantly, how to invest in stock markets to get minimum 20% plus returns in a year. Minimum, I'm saying 20% to even 100% we can get, but these things that we need to analyze. How to do this? I'll give an example. Now you are in some place in a bus stop and you need to go to your hometown, and there are three buses standing in the bus stop. Tell me which bus you want to board. You need to analyze them. Take an example. The first bus, there is a bus, no passengers, no driver. Second bus, there are some passengers, no driver. Third bus, almost full, one or two seats are empty, and driver is also in the bus. He started the bus engine as well. Think over which bus you need to board, right? You have an answer, right? Now bus already started and ready to go. We need to board the bus. If we identify such kind of a stocks, it's not rocket science. It's simple and easy. If you need to identify that kind of a stocks and invest in them and wait for 2, 3, 4, 5 quarters, you will be getting minimum 25% to 100% or more in some of the stocks, and most of the stocks you will be getting minimum 25%. In some of the stocks you will be getting even 100% or even more. We'll see all that kind of a strategies, and we'll be talking on fundamental analysis also. You know, we see big players in the market where they invest and they don't even touch the stock for ages. They say that simply I want to give this stock to my son or my grandson. In my sense, those days are gone now. There are a lot of manipulation in the market. If you see Reliance stock from 700 to 900 stock price, the stock is there for 7 years. Stock price even doesn't move from 700 to 900 back to 700, 750, 800, 700, 800. It was there in the 200 rupees range for 7 years. I'm taking a India's biggest Reliance. What will happen if we invest and wait for 4 5 years? To be frank with you, our so-called investors, they can't even wait for 3 months or 4 months holding a stock. Now, if you have that kind of a mindset, if you invested couple of stocks similar to that, Reliance kind of a thing in those 7 years, then you never going to again in the market to invest. But as we discussed, we should understand when stock will move after analyzing fundamental analysis. If you add some portion of the technical analysis, it's easy for you to analyze them. We'll see that techno fundamental analysis for long term investing. Then we'll start soon on option trading. That could be on stock options or index options. The main stuff in options is the Greeks. Delta, gamma, theta, and vega. These are the key parameters in options trading. By knowing this itself, you want to skip the video, right? I'm telling you, at least you know the delta. You are almost there on the 75% of the hedge strategies that you easily understand. The remaining portion, if you understand, then that will be good enough. If not, then only you can get almost regular income in options. We'll see how that goes. We have lot of hedge strategies in options. If you do hedging, then you're protecting your loss, and could be your profit also limited, but less loss and more profit kind of a strategies that we can make on weekly hedge strategies and monthly hedge strategies. In hedge strategies, we have directional hedging, like you know that market will be in next week uptrend, then what kind of a strategies that we need to implement? If market is in downtrend for next week or next month, what kind of a strategies that we need to implement? If market is sideways, what kind of a strategies that we need to implement? Again, we are not sure on the directional part, right? We have some small technical analysis. If you do, I'm telling you, very very easy. If you do that, then you know that whether stock or index will go up or down or sideways with the easy parameter. As we are hedging the strategy, if market goes against us, then we need to do a small adjustment where your aiming profit could be 50% or 20%, but you may not fall into losses. At least you will be exiting in the break even, and most of the time you will be exiting in the profit mode. Now, options are very much dependent on India VIX. You know, if you know India VIX, that is called implied volatility, again the fluctuations in the market based on global events or local events, what kind of a thing. Option premiums moves. VIX increases, IV increases, and option premium increases. And VIX decreases, IV decreases, option premium decreases. If you analyze VIX and build option strategies, you are most of the time will be successful. In general, VIX will be in between 12 to 22. Even I can say 12 to 18. It won't go beyond that. And most of the time VIX will be, you can say that 12 to 18. 15 to 18 on the upper side, and if you see less than 15, where 11 to 15 on the downside. Now we are taking 15 as a benchmark. We can call it less than 15 or more than 15. So if VIX is less than 15, we can implement some kind of a strategies. If VIX is more than 15, we'll implement some kind of a strategies. If VIX is greater than 15, as we discussed, VIX will be 15 to 18 maximum. It might go one or two occasions in a year up to 22. Then what kind of a strategies that we need to implement? We need to implement credit strategies like strangle and straddle. That time Vega could be negative. So leave that part now. Vega, all this stuff. We'll be talking in a layman sense to understand each and every one. If VIX is less than 15, that we discussed, right? VIX may not go to less than 10 any time in the history. It could be one or two times, but most of the time, 99%, it may not go below 10. So if less than 15, in the sense 10 to 15, it will be there. Then we need to implement the debit strategies, calendars, debit spreads, etc. That time Vega could be positive. Now leave this jargons of Vegas, deltas, sigma, all this kind of stuff. Just think VIX is greater than 15 or less than 15. Then what we need to do? We'll discuss each strategy. And we have futures and options hedging as well. We'll work on that. Futures and options combination will get you good result, right? People start blindly buying only futures. They'll wind up with 20k, 30k, 50k, even 1 lakh losses also. And people will blindly buy options on stock options, whatever, and they'll be ending up with huge losses. If you club futures and options together and made a strategy, that will give you a great return. I can say example 15k loss versus 80k profit. Example, that kind of a strategies like that we can make with combination of futures and options. And the main hedging purpose is to, if you have a stocks purchased for investing and you have around 5 lakhs to 10 lakhs holdings with you, and all of a sudden there is a war declared, and you know that next 1 month or 1.5 month market will going down and down and down. That time you need to analyze how much value of your portfolio. With that, you can hedge with the index options, where whatever losses that you're getting in your portfolio, stock portfolio, almost the same or bit less kind of a profit that you can generate with the index options, where the dent of your portfolio may not that kind of a challenge for you. In fact, it will be even advantage. I'll tell you how. Now let us say 10 lakh portfolio, stock portfolio that you have. You invested in few stocks and total accumulated value could be around 10 lakhs. And war kind of a situation, government declared, and we have spreading all across rumors. Then you saw 2 days market is falling. Then what you need to do? You need to hedge with index options. What will happen? Your 10 lakhs will become 8 lakhs. But as you hedge with the options that 2 lakhs dent, your options might generate 1 lakh or 1 lakh 15,000, 50,000, or even 2 lakhs. If you have some kind of a aggressive nature, you can even get a more profit. In options, you can get even 3 lakhs as well. Once everything stabilized, the advantage what I'm saying is that you sell the options, get the profit, then whatever profit that you got, you reinvest that money into your stock, where your buy price will be even less, where you are aiming for double, then stock will become even triple. So we'll even discuss that part as well. For investing in future, I'll start recommending monthly one stock for double, and monthly one stock for 25% to 50% gain as well in our go forward basis. So this is my agenda for 2024 and beyond. And I humbly request those my subscribers, please bear with me. I'm giving hell lot of quality content, where outside they are selling this, not even compared to my kind of a strategies, they are even less part they are selling for, I don't know, a lot of money, where I'm giving everything for you as a free in this. So stay tuned. And once I finish all this, we'll even enter into the mutual funds, how to invest. And the 20-year person, when he get into the job, if he invest lump sum every month, after 20 years, how he can generate multiple crores, like the 20 years, 30 years, 40 years, 50 years person, how much they need to invest, we need to find out the good quality mutual funds where we need to invest. From there, we'll see that each category of population, the 20 years category, 30 years category, what kind of a stocks that mutual funds that we need to invest, that we'll see after this entire our agenda that what we discussed. So that's all from my side. And all my videos are purely on educational purpose. If you want to put your money, then consult your financial advisor before putting actual money. And if you're first timer, go back and see there are more than 100 videos in my YouTube channel. Each video will help you to grow in your stock market career. If you're first timer, subscribe, watch all my videos. Don't leave any video. Each video will value added thing. There are a lot of strategies. You need to see all the strategies, pick one or two and work day in day out with that strategy itself. I'm giving lot many strategies. Don't go and work every strategy. Even I know that five strategies are very good. I see that which strategies is more suitable to my thinking, my kind of a mentality. I'll work only on those strategies, even I'm getting bit less profit as well. When you enter, you should be feeling that, you should be happy that you'll be getting a profit. You should have in that mode. But strategies will have lot of indicators, lot of stuff. So, you should understand price action, support and resistance stuff. Then put any indicators that will add value to your entry and exit. But with indicators, you should not enter entry and exit. All right, then subscribe my channel and watch all the videos. If you know some of your friends, then forward this channel so that they'll also helpful. Thank you. Bye.